Okay students, now we are going to see full subtractor. In full subtractor, inputs are A, B, C, difference and borrows are outputs. Okay. After the truth table you have to make K-map. From the K-map we have to make this logic circuit. See the logic circuit, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gates actually, but for these 7 gates we are going to use 3 ICs only. For these 2 gates 1 IC, for these 2 AND gates 1 IC, these 2 NOT gate 1 IC, then OR gate 1 IC. So totally 4 ICs we are going to use. See the pin diagram. In one IC there are 4 gates. So in a circuit, if you are getting 4 gates, same gates, you can use one IC. If it is more than 4 gates, then you should use 2 ICs. Okay. Now we have 2 XOR gate. So I will use 17486. That I am connecting here. This is 7486 IC. I connected already. Then so as we know, 7th pin, this is 14 pin IC, but this is 16 pin slot. So 7th pin I am grounding, 8th pin (14th pin) connecting to VCC. So next 1, 2, first pin I am connecting with A. This I am considering A. Second pin B. Then you can see here third and fourth I am shorting, because the first gate output is third one is the input to the second gate. So third and fourth I am shorting. Then fifth pin is C. C is the third input. So this connection over, these 2 XOR gate over. Now we'll move to AND gate. This is the AND gate, 7408 IC I connected here in the second slot. 7408. This connection I am going to give now. So the first pin of AND gate should be connected with B. First pin should be connected with B. So this is my B. Then second pin actually it is A, but between this A and second pin we have NOT gate. So this is the NOT gate. So NOT gate, this I have taken 3 and 4 because one more and NOT gate is there. I used first 2 pins. So here I am going to use third and fourth pin. So third pin I should connect with A. Fourth pin I should connect with second pin of AND gate. Fourth pin of NOT gate should be connected with second pin of AND gate. So this is fourth pin. Fourth pin of NOT gate should be connected with second pin of AND gate. I connected. So this is XOR gate, this is AND gate, this is NOT gate. Then third pin of AND gate should be connected with second pin of OR gate. This is OR gate. So I am taking AND gate. Third pin of AND gate I am connecting with second pin of OR gate. This connection over. Now this AND gate and this first input of OR gate is pending. So I am going to concentrate on this AND gate. You see here, fourth and fifth pin I am using here for this second AND gate. Fourth and fifth and sixth 3 pins I am using. Fourth pin should be taken from NOT gate. So another NOT gate. For this is a NOT gate. First and second pin I am using. First pin should be connected with fourth pin of XOR gate. First pin should be connected with fourth pin. This is XOR gate. Fourth pin of XOR gate. Then second pin I will connect with fourth pin of AND gate. Second pin of NOT gate I am connecting with fourth pin of AND gate. Then fifth pin of AND gate should be connected with C. So fifth pin of AND gate I am connecting with C. Then sixth pin of AND gate is the output, that is the input of the OR gate. Now the connections are over, but for these three gates I didn't connect ground and VCC. I am going to give 7th pin ground, 15th pin VCC. Now the connections are over. Now we'll check the output. Now output pins we have to connect. The output pins difference is 6th pin of XOR gate, borrow is 3rd pin of OR gate. So first I am connecting difference, 6th pin of XOR gate. So this is difference, borrow 3rd pin of OR gate. Now we'll check the truth table. Initially, first condition, all the three inputs are 0. I got difference and borrow, both are 0. Next, 0, 0, 1 I am going to give. So A, B, C is 1, C is 1. Difference and borrow, both are 1. Now 0, 1, 0. Again I got 1 and 1. 1 and 1, this combination. Then 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Difference 0. Borrow is 1 I got. Then fourth one, 1, 0, 0. Difference 1, borrow is 0. Next 5, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, both are 0. Then 1, 1, 0, both are 0. Then 1, 1, 1, difference borrow, both are 1.